Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, it was an emotional day for the family, colleagues and friends of slain Beryllium guard Lawrence McKenzie, who was laid to rest today. Mr. McKenzie, who was killed by robbers in February, was described as a man of great character who did not deserve to die the way he did. We have more in this report.
It was a somber mood at the Rehoboth Apostolic Church in St. Catherine this afternoon. Scores of well-wishers gathered to pay their final respects to Beryllium security guard Lawrence McKenzie. Mr. McKenzie was shot and killed on February 27 when his team came under heavy gunfire as they were preparing to service an ATM at the JN Bank in Portmore Pines Plaza in St. Catherine. Speaking at the funeral, his sister Tracy remembered him as a humble and hard-working person.
My brother always have some laugh or some joke. When I tell him I call him co-worker's name, them call him name, and it breaks my heart.
His colleagues say life has not been the same since his passing.
Lawrence has been with us. We are a cash management industry. Never ever his integrity has been questioned. A humble servant.
I'm always giving jokes, you know? No matter the pressure we work under, I always joke there, you know? And make us laugh, you know? So, I miss him a lot. Come go to the park. There's something else to do, most of the man in Bonnie, the man in Quadruple. Good youth, so far.
It's hard for us to know say something like that happen and we can't stay home and get the pay same work. It's still out there. Do the work and still get the pay, you understand? So it's very hard. Very rough, hard.
Mr. Lawrence was a security guard at Beryllium for over 28 years before his passing. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.
Listen.